Hello! Today we are going to show you how to place a hold and some of the other features on our catalog page. The first step is to get to the Stonington Free Library's website. Once you are on our front page, find the Catalog tab on the right side of the page. For this next step, you will need your library card number and PIN. If you don't know either of these or need a new card, you can email or call us during our open hours and we can help you. At the top right of the page, you will find the option to log in. Remember, there are no spaces or dashes in the library card number. Notice that the top bar is for your library card number or easy username, and the bottom bar is for your PIN or easy password. We will go over setting up the easy username or password shortly. Once you're logged in, you will see your account is now next to the option to log out. Click on, in this case, Mr. Lemoncello's account to see your account information. This is where you will find all of the other features of your account. In Account Summary, you can update your contact information, reset your PIN, or set up an easy username and password. If you don't want to type in your library card number every time you log in, set up an easy username. If you want a password that's more secure than a 4-digit PIN, set up an easy password. You can use any combination of these when logging in. Other features include Account Activity, where you can see what you have out, your pending holds, and any fines you may have. There is also a tab for saved lists, a great way to keep track of what you read. Now let's put a book on hold. Today we are looking to read Escape from Mr. Lemoncello's Library. You will see there is the option to place hold or add to list. When you select Add to List, you can add it to any of your existing lists or create a new one. When you select Place Hold, the pickup location will always be Stonington Free Library. You have the option to place a hold on the first available copy or a specific one. But in almost all scenarios, you will want to select I want the first available copy. If you want to confirm that you've successfully placed an item on hold, simply click on your account at the top right of the page. Then click Account Activity, and then click on Holds. If you have any other questions about your account, placing holds, or our pickup procedures, email us at stonlib@stoningtonfreelibrary.org or call 860-535-0658 to reach us during our open hours. Thank you.